Okay, where are we, Robin?
We're at the Junee Licorice and Chocolate factory. Mostly licorice, apparently.
I'm really looking forward to this. Let's go and have a bit of a look. Have a look at the building. Isn't it incredible? And these doors, or the gates.
They're beautiful. Look how solid and thick they are.
Absolutely beautiful surroundings. They've even got cows.
Little baby fake. Oh, what have we got here? A little garden. Sunken garden.
Oh, sunken garden. This place is beautiful. I think if you're travelling...
Check out the timbers.
Oh, that is...
Look at this. Aren't they beautiful?
Oh, check this out. I'd love to know what this was all about. Maybe we can find out.
Maybe we can, yeah. And then there's some old wagons there. Got Betsy the cow, or whatever her name is.
Yeah, better give her a little pat. All right, we're going to check out...
More old cars over there.
We're going to check out the chocolate factory. There's sales and tours. I think we'll go this way. What a beautiful old factory. Ah, the licorice factory, that's what we want.
Look at all the flowers too. How pretty it is, and all the ivy across the...
This place is absolutely beautiful. It looks like that's part of the restaurant. Don't know whether you can see, but there's a pizza oven at the back there. Wow, this is beautiful. All right, we're moving in now.
Little arbour.
The entry.
Arbour. Beautiful. All the vines across the top.
Yeah, all these are grapevines. So in the summer season, I suppose there'll be a lot of grapes here. Yeah, we don't know where to go.
The timber, how they made the fence.
Oh,
See how that? How
cool is that? Oh, that's right. There's a wedding here today. That's why there's not many people. Anyway, we're going to have a look at the chocolate factory, and they've even got the
little pig.
The piglets. Wow, that's all set up for the wedding. Oh, this is where they make the chocolate. Oh, isn't that absolutely brilliant? And what have we got over here? Oh, check out those. So, what have you found, Rob?
Well, I just found over there they have a taste of the plum licorice plum flavour, which is very nice. And you can get a coated milk chocolates for plumbers.
Oh, there's so much in this shop. Incredible. I can't show you everything because there is a lot of people behind me. So what have we got?
Berries, strawberries, white chocolate strawberries, milk chocolate strawberries. Milk chocolate Inca berries. Inca berries.
Wow.
Don't know what that is. Bananas.
They're all gone.
Obviously they're popular. Rocky Road special packs.
What a thing. Look, they got Rocky Road.
Yeah.
What's that one?
White chocolate special pack. So,
I get to sample everything.
well,
We're going to go through some of the old part of the building here. It's not part of a tour, it's just something that we decided to have a look at. Check that out. Oh, so much chocolate. Okay, we're at the Licorice and Chocolate factory, and Robin's decided to order a couple of these.
Chocolate.
Hot chocolate. So if you're coming down here, I'd advise you to indulge in something like this.
And look, whoops, they've got the little marshmallows down here.
Marshmallow.
And we get a little chocolate on the spoon. And then we've got all the chocolate dripping all the way down.
So honestly, it's a healthy drink, and I think it should go down quite nicely. So we'll demolish these, and then we'll move on to our next target.
Okay.
Okay, while we're still at the Junee chocolate place, they've also got some old vehicles here. Historical Society. Got some old cars. Oh, this one's seen better days. Flat tyre. Yes, Bill's pointed out, a bit of a flat tyre, but I'm sure we can get that repaired.
About the vehicle.
Now there's an old fella sitting up here, and he looks quite comfortable. And yep, we're going to we'll drop some money in that in a minute. And this is part of the, well, all the cars and stuff that they've got in here. Oh, look at this place. It is incredible. They've got just about everything in here. The old Victor lawnmowers, Evinrude boat motors, old cars. Let's talk about old outboard motors. Pretty oh, how is this? A lawnmower bike. I don't know whether you can see that, but yeah, it's pretty incredible. Old T-model Fords, I guess. The old chainsaws. Oh, how's the old cars? That would have had to come from America, I would say. Aston, certainly an Aston Martin. Little trophies. Old Fords. Some really amazing vehicles. If we get into trouble, we can actually grab a tow truck. Wow. Gee, honestly, I could wander around here for ages. The cars in here are just incredible. All at the chocolate box at or chocolate place in Junee. It's just incredible. Lord Fairlane, God, brings back memories. Old race car driver, looks like he's had his day. So now we're heading back out. And the old fire truck, fantastic. The old Triumph. Then we're back outside and back up to that wonderful chocolate factory. Well, this morning I'm going to take you on a little bit of a journey. We're going to go and have a look at one of the old railway stations here at Junee. It's quite unique in the aspect of they've got a great little cafe, but we'll have a look at the train station first. So, we're coming to the cafe, or round to the train station. This is absolutely a stunning little railway station. Now, back in the day, this would have been an absolute hub. As you can see, you've got the refreshment sign there. So we'll just pop in and see what the refreshments are all about. In. Let's try and go in. There we go. Whoops, now check this place out.
Orange.
Oh, so you've had your cup of tea without me, have you?
Oh dear, no.
Well, where are we? We're in the Junee railway station.
Yes.
Where they have counter meals.
We should.
Counter
We know
meals.
they do, yeah.
Refreshments. Such a beautiful, beautiful old building. Yeah, so this was the old cafe where a lot of the train travellers would come for a bit of a meal before their journey, and it still looks pretty good. And they also sell a lot of bits and pieces. That's quite good. So we'll actually check out outside. So we'll go out here. This is sort of that was the entrance to the cafe. Beautiful old town, Junee. We'll just turn around and see if we can see a bit more of the station, of the old facade. So we're just parked out there at the moment. Yeah, so if you're coming to Junee and you want a coffee, this is probably a pretty good place to come. We'll just have another quick look out here.